Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make homemade caramel candies. You need a medium-sized pot. Pour 200 ml fresh cream. If it is not available, you may use long-life cream. Followed by 190 grams granulated sugar. Then add 35 grams honey. And the last ingredient, 35 grams butter. Stir it a little. Cook the mixture in medium-low heat. When the mixture starts to boil, start stirring it. Stir the mixture often to avoid burning the bottom. Stir the mixture until it becomes condensed or concentrated. You see this? It means that it's near to become caramelized. When the color becomes brown, it means that it is done. Place a parchment paper on a tray and pour the concentrated mixture. Fix the edges so it is easy to cut later. Let it cool down. Now that it has already cooled down, cut it into small rectangles. Here they are, the caramel candies. Now they are ready to be wrapped, one by one. Use parchment paper in wrapping them. This caramel is soft and yummy. So here are the candies, and I'll put them in little plastic bags. This one. This is a good idea if you want to give caramel candies to children, girls and boys. Young and old will like this too. Tie the cellophane bags with colorful ribbon and they become presentable. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Imee's recipes and click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.